Okay, as you can see, the exhaust and the drive shaft are out completely. This is where I tighten up the e-brake. It's very easy to get at with all this stuff out of the way. I've got this area cleared out. You see a lot of grime and grease here. Hopefully that'll not be a problem with the new transmission. These have been loosened. These are trans mount bolts. They'll come out next. This will come off. I just have to put a bag under it so it doesn't leak any oil out. I've already disconnected the reverse switch. The slave cylinder's taken off. All I have to do now is remove that starter. I actually have to disconnect the battery. I'll unbolt the starter, hang it so it won't be hanging by its power, by its connections. Then it's a process of going through and loosening the trans bolts and taking these two out, these two mounts, and figuring out some way of getting my jack underneath here and getting this down and out of here. And then after that, we get into the removing the clutch, the flywheel, and replace the rear main seal. But yeah, we're making some progress here. Hopefully, about a week. Oh, here's the other thing I wanted to show you. See these 4 lines, the skinnier line on the inside there, that's the one, that's the vapor line that seems to be hopelessly plugged up. So what I'm thinking, as long as I have this much access, I'll go ahead and remove these insulators that run along the entire bottom of the car. While it's easy to get at them, I'll free up that single one, get it out of there, and either bend up a new one using it as a template, or just run some plastic line through the same holes and call it a day. The problem building a new one, as it rusted before, it could probably rust again because it's kind of open to the atmosphere in a way. There's no fluids running through it, just gas vapors. The plastic would probably work better. Either that, I know you can buy a stainless one. That's expensive as heck for a silly vent line. Or they have that easy bendable stuff. It's like a steel alloy. I don't know what it's alloyed with, but bends very easy. Or I could maybe just use that. I don't know. I'll think about that a little bit. That's not high on the priority list. More later. When I get that starter out, get the trans off, I'll continue. More later. Thanks.